So next, now you know that when we make lipstick, we have three options: aluminum mold, okay, half silicon mold, like this. You put the silicon inside the holder, okay, and this is half silicon mold, and this one is the long silicon mold, okay. Now next we are talking about the difference for half silicon and long silicon. Okay, first let me remove the aluminum mold. Okay, so for half silicon molds, you can see it is composed of upper mold and bottom mold. And in the bottom mold, we could put this silicon inside. So can you guess why we have two parts? Can you guess? Let me do one thing. Okay, this is a lipstick. Let me take it out. Okay, so this is an empty lipstick container, and inside we call it cups. The cups. So make the camera close and let's see the silicon sample here. You could find the lipstick is composed of two parts. One small part is go inside the cup, and another part is the one you could turn it on, turn it off, screw it down. It is to apply on our lip. So now, who can tell me why we have these two parts?